Darshan's order, they are literally threatening to other accused persons merely because Darshan is involved in this case. They cannot treat me as inhuman. That is observation of the trial court.
Jail manal ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಡ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
Are there? ಇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. This order has not been challenged.
Court says not only Pavitra Gowda or ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. It runs counter to Supreme Court what it is written. Government ಏನಿದು?
Food.
Oh, food matter.
My submission to the trial court was no.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಒಪ್ಪಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಅರ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. No objections to grant either food or bed. Strictly in accordance with provisions of jail manual.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಜೈಲ್ ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂದು ಮೈ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಡ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
ಹೌದು.
All that ಮೆನಡ್ in fact I had also placed on record the entire prison manual by marking ಮೆನಡ್ each and everything.
Lordship has directed me to place it the some data which I have
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, madam. Well, the Honorable Apex Court has cancelled my bail on 14
5-star treatment.
Yes, madam. On particular, the observation of the.
ಹೌದು.
Well, the Honorable Supreme Court's observation not only particular to this
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ,
case, madam. In the entire country, madam, whole country.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ.
Well, after my bail cancellation, madam, more than 40 FIRs were registered in the prisons, madam. They have given, they have provided, they have facilitated the other prisoners for using mobiles, drugs, everything. Well, on the day of interim order granted by this honorable court, on the very same day itself, jail has raided by the police officers. More than 19 mobiles were seized, trucks were seized, police officers were suspended. Well, let's kindly see my compilation.
No, if you remember Prasanna Kumar sir,
Please.
there was DIG presence, an officer who had done this jail expose when the Tamil Nadu problem happened. That has become a reality today.
Well, more than 50
Then,
FIRs.
then it was transferred and all things happened. That's a different thing. But today it has become a reality. What the officer had done then is a reality. See, look at things. And ಇವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ PC Act.
3 matters.
3 matters.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದೇ ಒಂದು NIA law
That's my humble submission that Millets, by showing the Darshan's order, they are literally threatening to other accused persons merely because Darshan is involved in this case. They cannot treat me as inhuman. That is observation of the trial court. That's kindly page number 12, my lord.
I'll tell you one thing. When we don't project this as the problem, now you have given all this.
Yes, my lord.
Let me see what is
Chapter 21.
Let's one submission.
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ you have given special treatment, get all the details.
Let's kindly see page number 12, my lords, which on the last date of hearing, I made my specific submission. The one order was passed in favor of one of the accused, my lords. I don't want to take his name. Kindly see page number 12.
Oh, ಇದೆ.
Yes, my lords, he is a special PP. Jagdish sir is representing as a special public prosecutor. And one of the accused FIR is registered.
Don't
Prasanna Kumar
tell
sir
on
is
the
representing.
1 minute.
Please understand.
You Sunil, you should encourage restraint.
Plus, as a counsel on record, plus as officer of the court, that is my
Don't
grievance. That
step
is my
into the shoes of
anxiety,
the
my
client,
lord.
sir.
We are seeking
As
only
a counsel, you should not step into the shoes of the client.
not writ petition.
You should project what is in law.
Yes, my lord.
No, let him show that I appeared and I consider it. What is this money taking
But
money in
this
the-
is not
in this
correct.
thing?
That too on
No,
Jagdish
but
sir,
that's
if you
for
tell
that,
I am not going to keep quiet.
That's for that I am apologizing, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ
This,
that's
all
not
these
correct.
connected cases, Jagdish sir is representing. That
No,
is admitted.
that represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ.
No, my lord, I am not saying that.
ಮತ್ತೆ don't do that.
Page
Never
number
do
12 and
that.
13. I am apologizing.
That person, no, against anybody you cannot do that. That's a different thing, particularly against Jagdish sir.
Yes,
Yes. And not in this court at all. Yes.
apologies.
Hmm.
Page number 12 and 13, that the order of the magistrate in another connect, my lord, still today, this order has not been challenged by the jail authorities. Now, my lords, my order has been challenged before this honorable court, particularly on the ground that there are other 5,000 inmates are there. ಇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. This order has not been challenged.
No, I'll make one.
Secure
No,
instructions.
I'll make one. No, I know this, I know the issue. Your lordship, in the page 14, there's a
Page
doctor.
14.
Anyway, I did not appear in this matter. My colleague has appeared it.
Yes.
Page number 14, there's a doctor report. In any case, my lord, he is a convict prisoner. We are not giving him anything. He's been
No,
convicted
you
prisoner.
stand on a different footing. You are an under trial prisoner. This is a convicted prisoner.
Let's at the time of
I
this
thought
order,
that
he is also
I will
unconvicted.
consider. See what the court says, not only Pavitra Gowda or ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. It runs counter to Supreme Court what it is written. How can the court write contrary to the Supreme Court when Supreme Court says nothing doing anta?
My lords, the
That is,
order of
that is
the-
why I was angry with that order.
my lords, if-
Chapter 21
my lords,
of
if
Prisons
this
Manual. Chapter
observation,
21 of the, latest prison manual.
Prisons manual has to be followed.
Just here.
That's why we will lay down a law that how food or bed which is special to be given to persons should be given in particular circumstances.
In fact, my instructions, my lord, the one more order passed by the court, which GO was issued yesterday. I've asked them to challenge it. GO was issued yesterday.
ಏನ್ ಜೀವೋ?
To challenge that order of Sessions Court there. In fact, I dictated the petition also yesterday night. I'll correct it. We'll file it
Get
tomorrow.
that, get that. No, if one is not given, unless, see, there is doctor's certificate
Correct.
and procedure is followed. I am not saying it should not be given at all. In fact, Prabhu sir, last time I appeared in this, he wanted me to write that what is, then subject went off, then I kept quiet.
Not that,
They
that has been
That
withdrawn.
has now become necessary to be written.
But rule 322, not clearly, sir, not prescribes. My submission is not that no objection to grant, strictly in accordance with jail
Course,
manual.
my lords,
everything
I have not
ಅರ್ಧ
said
ಬಂದು
that, my
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
lords.
ಈಗ ಸುನಿಲ್
Sir, sir said that,
ಈಗ ನೀವು SPP ಆ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಆ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
yes, my lords.
ನೀವು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
My lords, everything is there, my lords. Kindly see his
And oral
order, my lords, the order of the
Oral
trial
submission.
court. My lords, I have not blamed the Prasanna Kumar sir, my lords. Prasanna Kumar sir fairly made the submission that as per the jail manual and as per the prisons manual, it can be
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
provided.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ sir.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, ನಾನೇ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ತಾವು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ-
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ. ಬರೀ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್
Take
ನೋ
a- see,
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು
that is why I tell you, if you, you should not, as I won't repeat that, you should not step into the shoes of the client, whoever it is.
No, my lords,
It's a
my lords,
different
I'm
thing.
apologies, my lords. My anxiety is only to brought to the
Okay,
notice of this honorable court.
Don't get
Don't get
anxiety.
anxious, you are a counsel,
Yes, my lords.
yes.
My lords, my humble submission, even our last date of hearing also, I made this submission, my lords. This order may be set aside today itself, my lords. Absolutely, I don't have any objections. If any, the
No, no,
defects on the part of the
ಬೇಡ,
trial
ಅದು
court.
We'll lay down
But my,
something.
ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್
my lords, my humble
Just
submission
now
that, my
time
lords.
has come that we'll lay down guidelines and do it.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
In
My lords,
fact,
my
the one
my
more matter,
grievance
my
is
lord.
that, my lords, on 29th, the trial court, the judiciary, my lords, the judiciary has passed an order, rightly or wrongly, my lords, the honorable trial court has passed an order.
One minute, ಈಗ ಅವರೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು,
No, my lords, they have filed clarification after lapse of 10 days.
right? ಈಗ
Till then, my lords, even
ಆಯ್ತು, we will-
for the sake of
ಏನು,
courtesy.
we will definitely impose costs on them.
No, my lords, my lords, I'm not on that, my lords.
Then what?
See, my lords,
ನಿಮಗೆ
just-
ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳ, ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ last.
yes, my lords, ultimately,
what
Uta,
you
my
need
lords,
is food ತಾನೆ.
we don't need to punish anyone. So just, my lords, my lords, I'm trying to impress your lordships on the conduct of the jail authorities, my lords, how they are treating one person, one prisoner and another prisoner. My lords, I made the
Jagdish sir,
submission, 85 rupees they are
I
spending.
want verify all this
Yes, my lord.
and give the information.
Yes.
Hmm?
In fact,
shall
one
place
more
on
matter, my
record,
lord,
my
I'm
lord.
filing tomorrow, your lordship. I'll move memo on Tuesday, my lord,
ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ.
where there is.
Prison manual. I shall place on record a prison manual with relevant rulings.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ,
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, state. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್,
Please.
you place everything on record. Hmm?
Please.
And if you want, earlier petition Prabhu sir ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, he had placed
ಹೌದು,
everything on
ಹೌದು.
record.
That has been subsequently withdrawn.
It was withdrawn later.
Please.
Yes, my lords, a very, the
I
accused
shall
number 2
place
has
everything on.
filed 2 petitions, the observations of your lordship, then my lords, it was withdrawn. Then my lords, he has been granted bail by this honorable court, then later it was set aside by the honorable Supreme Court.
You can ask Prabhu Navargi sir if earlier in